Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Mefirt Power Tool Wall Organizer. So this is provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's get this open. So I'll get all the parts out here. So here we have the installation instructions. Here's the parts list. The hardware bag. Okay, so I have all the parts out. It comes with a hex key for assembling. I'll pull that out and I'll open up the hardware. It looks like it's all the same size. So I have 3 shelves in the bottom hanging part. This is where you hang cordless tools. Then I have the side support. So I have 2 of the brackets. You can see them here. They have a keyhole slot on them. So I'm going to mount these shelves. They mount from underneath and the bolts go in the top. There's going to be a top one here, a middle one. The middle one will have this little shelf that attaches to it, and that attaches on the top. And then the tool hanger's on the bottom. So when you put the tool hanger on, you want the guides to be pointed out so you can slide the tools in. And I'll show it when it's done. So I'm going to speed the video up here while I assemble this. Okay, I have this side together. It seemed to be easiest to put it on its side. Now I haven't tightened these all the way down. I'll do that when I'm finished. So next I want to put the middle support in. You want to make sure those slots are oriented the same as the side piece. And you have 2 sets of holes. So you want to use one set of holes. The other one will be for the other side. So now I can put the other side on, and it will be similar to the first, except you will have the little tool holder on that second shelf. Okay, so I have all the screws in. Now I'm going to tighten them down. I'm not going to film that, so I can move the camera out of the way so I can have a little more room to do this. Okay, so I have it fully assembled. It also came with some hooks. These will fit on the sides here, so you can hang things from them, and there's 4 of those. Now for mounting to the wall, it comes with anchors and screws. Let me get some measurements here. So the mounting slots are at 16" on center, so you can mount this to studs. And the mounting holes, it looks to be 9 inches apart. The overall height of this is 14 inches, and then the width is about 32 5/8. That's not including these wings. Let's see if I can get a measurement on those. So total width seems to be around 39 3/4. So next I need to find a place to mount this. So I'll get this mounted up and then we'll cut to that. Okay, so I've mounted this on the wall. I put screws in the studs. I didn't use the screws that came with it because these are thicker walls. So I used some 2-inch construction screws. So I had hung it by the middle screw, and the sides were hanging down just a little bit, so I actually made sure I raised it up and marked it level before I put the screws in, because once this is attached to the wall, it stiffens it up. So you can see how stiff it is. So in the middle, I mean, this waves a little bit, but it can easily hold the weight of everything on it. So I put all 6 screws in, and I put some tools here. So you can have the tools upright, like this, or upside down. So this one obviously would not fit the other way. Now I noticed with my Ryobi, the batteries don't fit on these shelves. I could put them sideways, but I'll just put those on the top. Most other power tools are going to have the non-post style, and those easily fit on the shelf. I had this fan here, and this would kind of slot in. It was a little awkward, but this has a clamp on it. So I just clamped that to the side. I have a smaller battery up here and some screwdrivers. I put some pliers here and hung some wrenches off these hooks. Of course, this is just a sampling of what you can do with this, but it gives you an idea of how you can use it. Now I do have some full-size power tools, but it also fit my 12-volt drill there. So it seems to be pretty versatile. Now this is an older drill I don't use very much. I put it upside down so I don't accidentally grab it over my newer one. So that's the Mefirt Power Tool Wall Organizer. I found this very easy to put together. It holds tons of tools. You can hold 8 power tools here, and you have a couple of shelves for your accessories, your batteries. This allows for easy access to your tools, so you can just grab them, use them, and put them right back. If you're looking for storage made specifically for power tools, I think this is a great option. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.